Arctic, Antarctic, two poles, both extremely cold due to their position, yet one stands out as a cold hill, whereas the other one is just cold. Why? The two poles have alternatively 6 months of day and 6 months of night. Both are extremely cold yet drastically different. Arctic is a civilization. It's like a cold Africa. A hunter tribe lives in the North Pole region. Antarctic, on the other hand, is completely devoid of human life. The only people who reside there are the researchers or the part of military group stationed for military exercises. However, it's not completely devoid of life altogether. Penguins, sea lions and whales live in that region. Antarctica is colder than the North Pole due to several factors. Reason 1. The altitude. Antarctica is a high elevation continent with average height of around 2,400 meters, about 7,874 feet above sea level.
The mountain is called Mount Vinson. It's almost 5,000 meters in altitude and it's extremely remote.
This elevation contributes to the cold temperatures, as the environmental lapse rate in the troposphere is about 6.5 degrees per kilometers, leading to a significant temperature drop with height. Arctic, on the other hand, is not on solid mass and is actually deeper than sea level, and is only solid because of the frozen sea due to its temperature. The sea depth at the North Pole has been measured at about approximately 4,261 meters, which is 13,980 feet, by the Russian-made submersible in 2007, and at 4,087 meters, about 13,409 feet, by the USS Nautilus in 1958. Which makes the average depth at about 4,000 meters. The second reason is the lack of ocean currents. The North Pole is located over the Arctic Ocean, which has a moderating effect on temperatures. The ocean absorbs and releases heat more slowly than land, helping to keep the Arctic slightly warmer than Antarctica. In contrast, Antarctica is surrounded by a vast ice sheet that does not have the same moderating influence. The third reason is the geographical position. Antarctica is a continent surrounded by an ocean, while the Arctic is an ocean surrounded by a continent. This difference affects the way heat is distributed and retained in each region. The Arctic Ocean's ice cover is also thinner and more mobile compared to the thick stationary ice sheet